Hello children, welcome to you all. In this video, we are going to learn some sight words. We will practice to read with the help of phonics. Already we have read 2-letter and 3-letter words. And if you have not seen that video, the link is given in the description box. You can see that video and practice 2-letter and 3-letter words first. So let us practice. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel for many more such interesting videos. Let us start. And 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 the the you not not use had had how how now now can can is his his her 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 are but but she she see did get get may may way way why as has him him as was was out. Now this is your turn to read all these words once again. Let us see now these words. Will, 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 that, the, at, that, that, the, is, this, this, have, have, from, from, each, each, Said, said, S-A-I-D, said. A-I-A, said. Make, make, M-A-K-E, make, make. Time, T-I-M-E, time, time. Look, look, L-O-O-K, look. Like, I-K, L-I-K-E, like, like. Some, S-O-M-E, some, some. Then, the N, then, T-H-E-N, then. The they, T-H-E-Y, they. T-H, the and, then, T-H-A-N, then. Come, C-O-M-E, come. Play, A-P-L-A-Y, play. Long, L-O-N-G, long. Find, F-I-N-D, find. Many, M-A-N-Y, many. Now this is your turn to read once again all these words. Next, let us read these words also. Which, W-H, W sound, W-E-Ch, C-H, Ch sound, which. Where, W-H-E-R-E, where. Were, W-H, were. At, what. W-H, when. More. In, bin. B-E-E-N, bin. T-H, the air, there. T-H-E-I-R, there. These, T-H-E-S-E, the is, this. Could, C-O-U-L-D, could. L is silent here, could. Under, U-N-D-E-R, under. Here, H-E-R-E, here. Help, H-E-L-P, help. Y-O-U-R, your. Were, W-E-R-E, were. Would, W-O-U-L-D, would. Now this is your turn to practice and read these words. So all of you read all these words and practice how to read it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and like it and share it.